Okay, October 30th, 2020, Tyler Hayes here, 1717, 519 has just made the return, this time with 5690 to lead eastbound. 5463 in the second. See what she has in tow to shove into Ladysmith Yard as we lean back and get him. Here we go. 5690, 5463 for the 519. Only just that pulpwood flat, and I see she's got a lot of empties. And I see they're going to stop for signal indications at this time. It appears 519 is waiting on something to roll by on the Superior sub at this time. So there was recently a three-way hurry, and there it is, southbound Q train. $116. And rear DPU to bring up the 116. I think that was another tier 4. Alright, 5690 with the return in 519 is starting up after waiting on 116. Bell. loads on the tail end. A 13 empty, 10 loads. Here's Alaska 519. There's WFRX 406119. And the train device is going. And they have a diverging clear to take her directly into Ladysmith Yard. And I see they're gonna pause again. We'll do it here in West Ladysmith. Tyler Hayes out.